Try natin itong susunod na example. Find the first term if a sub 5 is equal to 60 and a sub 6 is equal to 66. So, kapag naka-encounter tayo ng ganitong problem, alam natin na kailangan muna nating hanapin yung ating common difference. So, for the common difference, since we have our a sub 5 and a sub 6, o yung pang 5 at saka pang 6, since we know na magkasunod sila or consecutive sila, pwede nating mahanap dito yung ating common difference. So, very obvious, for us to be able to get 60, mag-a-add ka dito ng 6. Okay? But, mag-stick tayo doon sa usually ginagawa, which is, isusubtract mo si a sub 6 at saka si a sub 5, or simply 66 minus 60. So, it's true na ang kanilang common difference is positive 6. Or yun nga, pag nag-add ka ng 6 dito kay 60, makukuha mo yung 66. So, ang common difference nga natin is 6. And then, hahanapin natin kung ano yung gagamitin natin a sub n. Actually, dito, pwede mong gamitin dito si a sub 5 or a sub 6. Pero by this time, since mag-i-stick tayo doon sa last term natin, ang last term kasi natin dito is a sub 6, gamitin natin ito 66. Yun ang pinaka a sub n natin. So, pang ilan ba si a sub 6? Siya ay pang 6 term. Okay? Ready na tayo ngayong mag-substitute sa formula. A sub n natin is 66 equals first term, missing yung ating first term, plus n, which is 6 minus 1, times the common difference, which is 6. Okay? So, we have 66 equals the first term, which is missing. Ito muna, minus muna natin ito. So, we have 5 times 6. Okay, 66 equals a sub 1. 5 times 6 is 30. So, dito kasi, mas simple na ito na muna yung transfer natin doon sa left side of the equation. So, we have 66 minus 30 equals a sub 1. 66 minus 30, we have 36 equals the first term. Okay? Since pwede natin i-apply dito yung reflexive property of equality, pwede natin sabihin na yung first term natin nga is 36. Let's try to work on with another example. How many terms are there in the arithmetic sequence if a sub n is equal to negative 42, a sub 1 is equal to 9, and the common difference is negative 3? So, firstly, identify natin yung mga information dito sa problem natin. So, ang a sub n natin is negative 42. Ang first term natin is 9. And the common difference o yung d natin is negative 3. So, ang missing dito is the n. Since how many terms are there in the arithmetic sequence a sub n? So, tinatanong dito kung pang ilan si negative 42. So, this one is unknown. So, firstly, we have to substitute all the values na given dito sa ating formula. So, it will become negative 42 equals, yung first term natin is 9, plus n, which is missing, minus 1, times d, which is the common difference, negative 3. So, ang target natin dito, guys, is to solve for the value of n. So, negative 42, bring down din ito. Ito muna yung i-simplify natin. So, didistribute natin yung negative 3 to each. Okay? So, negative 3 times n is negative 3n. Negative 3 times 1 is positive 3. And then, of course, we can combine these two since parehas sila na constant. So, magiging negative 42 equals 9 at saka 3, which is 12, minus 3n. So, pwede na siguro natin i-transfer ito. To get rid of the negative, magiging 3n siya equals, si 42 pwede nating ilipat. So, bring down mo muna si 12. Yung 42 magiging plus 42. So, 3n equals 42 at saka 12. We combine them. So, we get 54. And then, we're going to divide by 3. Cancel. Of course, magiging n natin is equal to 18. Okay. Ang ibig sabihin nito, si negative 42, siya yung pang 18th term. Siya yung pang 18th term. Okay, yun si negative 42. Working on this next example, given the arithmetic sequence 11, 0, negative 11, negative 22, and so on, which term is negative 121? So, firstly, identify natin yung given doon sa ating problem. So, obviously, we have our first term, which is 11. Ang common difference natin dito, of course, nagma-minus 11 siya, no, sa bawat, para ma-obtain niya yung next term. So, negative 11 yung common difference. And then, we also have our a sub n. Since sinabi niya, si negative 121, pang ilan siya. So, negative 121 is our a sub n. So, yung n natin is missing. So, pang ilan si negative 121 sa sequence na to. So, ready na tayo mag-substitute dito sa ating problem. Our a sub n is negative 121 equals the first term, which is 11, plus n, missing siya, minus 1, times our common difference, which is negative 11. So, like yung step natin kanina doon sa nauna ditong example, bring down natin itong 121, 11. Let us work on with the parenthesis muna. Distribute natin, we have negative 11n. Negative 11 times negative 1 is positive 11. So, combine natin muna itong dalawang constant. So, maging negative 121 equals, so, add natin sila. We have 22 minus 11n. So, since we are solving for the value of n, we just let our n be on the left side of the equation. So, lipat natin siya. Negative 11n ay positive na pala. Paglipat. Equals 22. Yung si 120, negative 121 magiging positive 121. So, 11n then will become 22 plus 121 is 143. Okay? Divide both sides by 11. Cancel. And now, so 143 divide 11 is 13. So, this means that negative 121 is the 13th term. Siya yung ating pang 13th term sa sequence na to.